I had a good wedding season last year. I had back-to-back weddings from September to early November, and the best seller was our Neutrella Paper Flower Wall. The venue of the wedding was at the lodge at, bear with me, it's kind of hard to pronounce, Skeneateles, New York. So usually I pronounce it Skaneateles, but I heard that it's pronounced Skeneateles. Okay, so it's a few miles west of Syracuse, about 80 miles east of Rochester. I got this wedding project, or the client, from a referral from one of my clients as well from last May, or like May of last year. And my client for this wedding was probably a guest from the May wedding. So for this project or wedding, I didn't book a hotel. I just stayed around Syracuse. There was a Korean restaurant that I really wanted to try. They had the Korean buckwheat noodles that the Korean restaurants here in Rochester doesn't serve or doesn't have. And there in Syracuse, the one that I went to, they had Korean buckwheat noodles, or the naengmyeon. So I tried that during this wedding. I mean, you know, after I've set up, I went there and I just ate my heart out. And after that, I was lucky because in that area, I think it's near Syracuse University, there's a coffee shop that was open up until 10, and the wedding ends at 10, or I think it was 11. It's like 10 or 11, and the coffee shop was open up until like 10. Yeah, I stayed there, and when it was about 10, I just went back. It was just so dark. That was a scary part. When I was pulling out, it was so freaking dark. It was just so scary, like going back. But after I went off the highway, like I-90, it was a breeze. So it was an easy setup and easy breakdown. There was nothing that really hindered or like was problematic when it came to the logistics or the setup and breakdown. The most memorable part of this wedding is honestly, my client here was so sweet. She gave me $100 tip plus a box of chocolate truffles. Full disclosure, I rarely receive a tip when it comes to the flower walls. I think this was only my second wedding that I received a tip. Reason is, the thought is I work for myself and I'm not paid bare minimum. So it's like technically I receive everything, or like I receive the full payment. And considerably, the backdrops are not cheap. That's okay. That's totally okay, because it is true. Of course, I receive the full payment. I get the payment alone. But part of the payment goes to everything, like gas, meals, the labor and materials that went to making the flowers. So, you know, a tip is still appreciated. And again, for this wedding, for my client, I am very thankful. It was so wonderful and I felt so appreciated. So it's like I really treated myself to a naengmyeon, or a Korean bowl of Korean buckwheat noodles. It was so good. Yeah, anyway, let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment. And please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.